We spot a G90 and we finna chase it down right now. Yes, sir. M3 CS is insane. Yo,
that's clean, bro.
this is what I'm saying? No tints.
We gotta stop, yo.
No tints. Yo, look where the front mount sit in these G80s.
That shit really unavoidable. All of a sudden, my shit don't chop that hard no more.
Your shit chop like that?
Nah, hell no. My shit.
Look at this John.
Like that.
Matte Black is crazy. One day y'all gonna see us out here with these motherfuckers, chat. This is a 7 Series too. I think it's a 7 Series, no? It's a 7 Series, bro. Look at the fitment too. Clear, clear tails.
Yo,
I think this Hellberry bike right here. That boy came out the 340 game and got the bike, chat. Yeah, this is. And this shit fast too.
I got the heat wrap on my headers too.
Which one you taking, this or that?
Car.
I'm taking this. This is nice. Yeah, this is way better looking.
That shit fast as fuck.
This gotta be fast if it's all carbon. Yo, she.
Happy birthday again, brother.
Thank you, bro. Yo, that vet is, bro. We're literally in a fucking GTA server right now.
Huh?
Yeah. What's good, bro? What's good, bro? What you doing later?
You said what?
What you doing later?
Nothing. Just text me.
Hit me up.
All right.
Oh my God. That shit sound crazy. Yo, I made the right at the stop at the light.
I'm about to make a right.
Chat, we outside right now, man.
That shit sounds crazy, bro.
Huh?
Yo, we gotta wait up for the key, bro.
Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. Let me hear that shit. I want to hear that shit. Oh my God. Oh my. Yo, that shit sound disgusting. That shit sound nasty as fuck. Yo! Hang up, hang up, hang up, hang up. Yo! Yo, pull up, pull up. shit crazy. Yo. That boy came. Yo, chat, we outside, man. What is that? Chat, we cruising back to the crib right now, man. Feel what I'm saying? It should say we 40 minutes away, chat. We not even 40 minutes away. My shit! This cruise was not planned at all. Niggas just met up. Everybody just wanted to make some content, bro. We all making some content right now. But we cruising, bro. I fuck with this shit. I said we cruising, bro. I fuck with this shit.
I fuck with it too, bro.
My shit. Yo, that nigga. Yes, sir. God damn. Yeah. Yo, that shit chopping like a motherfucker, bro. That shit chopping like a motherfucker, bro. Yo, this an N55? I'm gonna fire road, bro, man. I think I'm reach right now. Thanks, bro. Bro, I'm in a traffic right now, dog.
Watch it again.
Yo, they holding up traffic, chat. They don't want to free the guys.
Yo, push up.
Yo, we gotta let D and them come over, bro. Yo, pull over at the Wawa. You know the Wawa up there? You know that Wawa up there, right?
Yeah, to the right, when you get by the Concord Mall?
Yeah, we could pull up there. Stealth wanna pee. That boy Stealth got a pee, chat. Yo, come. Yo,
Stuff, that shit's screaming, bro.
that shit screaming, young nigga.
Can I hear it?
Yo, how is he the youngest nigga with the loudest car out here? Tell me. Bum, 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 bum. Oh my God, look at the lineup though. The lineup crazy. Oh my God. There's a whole lot of B58 shot. B58, B58. I think that's an N55 though. It's an N55. And then we got stealth shit over here. Chat, my battery finna die soon. Bad. Bum, 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 bum. Nah, bro, we about to get on the highway. It's about to be devious, bro. I'm already knowing. How did Rye get behind me when you were just behind me, bro?
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Pause. Chat, we about to go to the crib right now, man. Feel what I'm saying? Hope y'all boys enjoy the vlog. If we do go out later, I'll put the cameras up, show y'all boys what we're doing, man. But with that being said, I'm about to go home and enjoy my birthday, man. Chat, look at that boy D-shit. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yo, slow down, I need to get some rollers on my fucking cam. Oh my God, chat.